Good morning. It's Wednesday. Fit check 10. Oh, nice. Amazing. Thrifted coat I just got. Oh, isn't it good? So good. Nice and warm. And it's got a hood. And my little lemon beanie. But I also thrifted. Everything I'm wearing is thrifted, of course. And my little Rolling Stones baby tee. And these amazing vintage flower pants with some waterproof dresses. And I think I'm getting a cold. I'm really snotty and my throat is starting to hurt a bit. So bundle up, make sure you drink lots of hot liquids and wash your hands, because it's that season where everybody touches everything and everyone's everywhere. Okay, so be careful.